Sorry. Sorry, anak. Sorry, it's okay. I'm just telling you the right thing to do. Okay? Okay? You should not be punching mama, di ba? Because it's not the right thing. Okay? Kawawa naman yan. If you cry, my heart is crying too. Because I love you so much. Stop crying na. Do you love mama?
Yes.
How much do you love mama?
Infinite.
How much?
Infinite.
Infinite? I love you so much too. I love you more than my life, anak. I love you more than my life, okay? Do you love Papa?
Yes.
How much do you love Papa? Infinite too? And Papa loves you more than his life too, okay? Stop crying. I love you. I love you.